Can you even handle the news?
Value Village is open!
I'm not sure if all Value Villages are open. I haven't heard that all of them are open. I think they secretly soft opened this week. So my boyfriend surprised me. He was like, "Want to go on a walk?" And then we went to Disneyland. Roll clip. God, it's Christmas morning! I'm so excited! I could cry. Don't forget to subscribe before we start. Let's get into the video. If you're a subscriber, you know how important this is to me. That Value Village is back open. Oh my god. And I, bought a couple of things. Didn't go crazy because still a pandemic. Still receiving that CERB money, you know what I mean? So try not to go crazy on the spending. Can we just take this in? It's like a leopard pot. And I wanted to get some stuff for the patio, just like decor, since we're spicing it up a little bit more. I wish you could see. Yeah, you can kind of see. But it's like a leopardy vibe. If you know me, leopard is my ting. You're a little off here. Freaking house. And I'm stoked about this. Either in the house or outside. I would prefer it outside, but we'll see because I have savage raccoons and I don't want them to smash this to bits because they break things in my backyard. Like, I swear to God, they're out to get me, so not cool. So let's see where this goes, but I love it. Very my vibe. Very on brand. Cannot believe I found this at Value Village, and this was $7.99. And this brass candle holder, candelabra, I believe that's what it's called. It's just so good, and like, put a nice tall candle. It has room for the wax to drip, and I want to put this on the patio on a little table for a little candlelit dinner at night. I think it would just be so cute. This bad boy is $12.99. Aesthetically pleasing. Love that. I'm still trying to find the perfect manufacturer for this, but in the meantime, I'm still buying the chains that I want to make. So I've been making sunglass chains. I don't really know what to call them yet. But I've been making these. So I found this one a little while back, but I didn't show it in a thrift haul because I didn't buy much else. So I will show it now. It's like this, again, like tortoise shell. That's what I meant to call this. Tortoise shell. But I bought, wow, I just poked myself in the eyeball. I bought the attachments from Amazon. It's not good. They are not good. They all just kind of fall off, so that really sucks. So I'm trying to find the right manufacturer so that I can sell these to you, because I'm really excited about them. I find really cool chains, and they'll be affordable. They won't be like $100 like they are out and about in the world, unless the chain costs a lot. Meantime, I will tease you with some of the chains that I found. This like really pretty like turquoise style, and I think this will be such a good one if you love the color blue. It's nice because it's a little bit shorter. It's not as long. And then this one, this black and gold, like black kind of shiny beads, I think is a really good kind of basic one that I think people would really like. And then this really bright fuchsia pink one that I think is so fun, especially if we're going to like a music festival or something. This may not be your everyday chain. It could be if you love color. But I think this one is so fun. Like, this one will be hard for me to give away. So good. And then the last one is just this navy beaded one, which I think is just like a good basic to have if you're not too out there with your fashions, woo, or your colors. Then this is like a good basic. Yeah, really excited to get those out to you. I really hope that I can do that in the next little bit. I also found, I guess I'll just continue with accessories. I found these really adorable gold hoops. They're like a twisted kind of wrap hoop, which I think is really fun. Gold, of course, yellow gold. I love a yellow gold. I think it's just nice and classic. I'm not really a silver girl, but I do like to mix my silver, as you know. And then I've been seeing a lot of like arm stacks coming back. Remember when that was a thing, like arm candy hashtag? And I just think these are really fun, kind of dainty. I definitely won't be wearing them all at the same time because that's kind of a lot of like red and pink going on. But like one little bracelet on I think is kind of cute. I think that would be fun. But this summer, wanted to pick that up, and that was like $1.99 for the stack. Can't go wrong. I think the earrings were $4.99. Also, for homeware stuff, it's this little wine bottle holder. I just thought it was kind of hilarious and kitschy and quirky. Has like little grapes on the side. It's basically like a wine bottle coaster. And then I got this book, The Silent Girls Murder Mystery. Love a murder mystery, so had to pick one up. I've pretty much read all of my books lately, so had to get something to read since I have all this time on my hands. Alright, let's get into the good stuff. Not that homeware wasn't the good stuff, but clothing, you know? Usually while we're here. I got this little button up. It's a little bit like oversized, kind of. It's not totally fitted, which is what I like with a button up, especially being a chesty gal. It's very difficult to have a button up shirt because I like to open up. And I just liked this kind of like polka dot, it's like a rectangle-y polka dot print, and just like a little bowler top, as I call it. I just think this would be really cute with denim shorts for the summer, just like a really loose and airy, light kind of shirt, but still, you know, trendy and a little bit more dressed up than wearing like a t-shirt or a tank top. I just really like these loose tops, loose button-ups, and like doing a little half tuck. Some ways to amp up your style is a little tuck into the front of your pants or jean shorts or shorts, whatever. These shorts remind me a lot of my grandma, which is probably why I like them a lot and fall for them all the time, because she always wore like a t-shirt button-up. Very G-ma. And then, although it is not winter, I just fell for this like army green waffle top. It's from Gap. I just thought this would be cute for the winter. It's a nice like undershirt to wear if you're like going skiing or snowboarding or skating or whatever, to wear under your clothes. And also just wearing as a shirt, I really love that waffle texture. Let me tell you, I have yet to try these on, so this will be try on in this video. Normally I try stuff on, but the change rooms are closed in every store, so I'm really hoping these fit. But they're these red snakeskin pants. Tell me how you find these at Value Village. Like, how did no one grab them when I was there? Insane. They're so rad. These will be such a fun pant to wear. Excited. I really hope they fit. God, I hope they fit. And they're from 11 Harmony, which I don't know what that brand is. A couple more things. Just this plain black t-shirt from H&M. These are my favorite t-shirts, and they had it there for $4.99, so, you know, that beats having to go to H&M, even though I did, to buy their basics. I really like their basic tees. Okay, tell me if I'm weird in the comments below. This is the first time I have ever purchased a bathing suit at Value Village. So, I feel like I can burn this in hot water and it'll be fine. But I really needed a one piece, like I really wanted these Speedo in particular, one pieces, because the rec center in my area is renovating and they have a great pool and a good gym. They're renovating their gym right now, so I've wanted to do swimming as my cardio. I don't like running at all, but swimming I love. I used to swim a lot and I would do competitive swimming at school, so yeah, wanted to get back into swimming. Wanted to buy a bathing suit, but these are kind of expensive. Like, they're like $60 to $70 at like Mac, so you know, I can't beat $4.99. What do you think? Please let me know in the comments below. I probably won't be wearing this for a while, so if everyone says it's gross, then I probably will just give it back to Value Village. But I just liked this one a lot. I thought it was cool. Tie-dye, very in. Kind of smells like chlorine. And then I bought another one just in case, and this one is $7.99. And I just liked that like black and white kind of sporty look. Speedo again. And TBH, totally checked out the crotch area to see if it was funky. They seem okay to me. Again, I'm just gonna like scald them in hot water and soap for like ever, and you know, I think I'll be okay. I honestly think it's fine. Haven't tried them on either. Like this one looks a little bit long, but we'll see. Who knows? What do you think? In the comments below, let me know. Is buying a bathing suit at Value Village gross? I don't know. Alright y'all, that is the haul. That's my new thrift haul since COVID. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm so excited that Value Village is back open. It just gives me like a taste of normalcy. It was really empty. There was like 6 people in there. Everyone was wearing masks. It was very chill. Everything seemed clean. They spaced out the store actually, so the racks aren't as long all the way down, so you don't get stuck with people in the same aisle. So you can kind of like weave in and out, which makes a lot of sense. And I thought that was a really, really good way of separating the store. And yeah, it was just, I didn't feel weird at all shopping. It felt very good, and there wasn't really a lot of people there. I think because no one really knows that it's open, so now you know. Shit. But I had to share the good news. And I had to share my finds with you because that's what I do. I'm excited to wear these. I will show you lots of outfits on Instagram at Layla_Lane. Follow me there for more daily sort of outfit updates. More than on here, maybe. Who knows? Yeah, I don't really know what I'm saying anymore. Don't forget to subscribe. Like the video down below if you liked it. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss an upload from me. And I will see you in the next video. My hands feel gross. Bye!